Hey there YouTube, France Opera here. It is Wednesday, October 20th, and I hope you brought a magnifying glass because we have some mini stationery to take a look at. Let's get right to it. Alright, so the theme for Volume 16 is mini stationery. So let's take a look at what we have this month. So here's a peek at what we're going to have in the Deluxe Kit, and of course these will be scanned in and put in the description if you want to take a better look at them. Here's what we have for the Standard Kit. Ooh, looks like we have a fountain pen in here. Very cool. Yeah, it looks like some nice stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop this open then. And let's see what we have. Alright, so I believe this is everything in the Standard Kit. And oh, wow. They went all out with the extra goodies for this month. And I believe this is the deluxe stuff. So let me set all that aside, and we'll of course start off by taking a look at this month's extra goodies. Alright, so let's take a look at our extras for the month. First up, we have a clear file folder here with a very orange and red sort of hippo design on it. Kind of interesting. We have another one of those build your own pens from Kuretake. I never actually built the last one that I got, so maybe I'll have to do that now that I got two of these, because yeah, these are cool. The idea that you can build your own pen. Our ink of the month, I am surprised, is not something orange for Halloween, but hey, I'll take a nice looking green color. It's a very dark green there. Let me go ahead and set these aside, and we'll take a look at what is in the Standard Edition up next. Alright, so let's take a look at everything in the Standard Kit. First up, from Eyeball Pencil, we have these clear mini staff assorted colored pencils. There's a little built-in sharpener there in the corner. Next up, from Pilot, we have a very compact fountain pen, which is kind of too bad because I actually just picked up an E95 the other day. But that is definitely super compact and will definitely fit in a shirt pocket or pants pocket, no problem. And that comes with 3 little blue-black refills there as well. Next up, from Zebra, we have this very cool SLF1 Mini. And this is definitely mini, but when you pull on it, the nib pops out and it extends. Push back in, nib goes back in. That's going to be really fun to play with. Next up, from Apika, we have the CD Notebook A7 in kind of a classical mustard yellow sort of color. Simple lined little pocket notebook. And then from Furukawa Shiku, we have a mini letter set with Shiba design. I'm still a cat person, but hey, Shibas are pretty cool. Lastly, from Midori, I think we've had these before in another Maido in a box, or at least something similar. We have a set of compact scissors. You can never have too many pairs of scissors. Let me set these aside, and we'll take a look at what's included in the Deluxe Kit. Alright, and here are the extras that we have in the Deluxe Kit. First up, from Stabilo, we have a Boss Mini Pastel Love highlighter. It says 6 color set on the info card, but only got 1, but hey, that's fine by me. I don't highlight a lot of things, so 1 is plenty. Next, from Midori, we have an A6 pocket clear folder bird design. Looks like we have 4 pockets, maybe 3. We have pockets. We got a good design. It's Midori. This thing will last forever. Next up, we have a rather unfortunately named A6 clear file from King Jim. We have the very yellow Flatty. I love when things kind of get lost in translation there. Next up, from Pottering Cat, we have a mini writing paper that looks like that. It's kind of just looks like a grid notebook with various designs on it. And then finally, from BGM, we have some masking tape that has little stars on it, apparently. So, there you have it. That is all of the mini stationery that comes in Volume 16. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next month for Volume 17. That is it.